What are you doing? This is what nothing looks like?
I'm making my arms tired.
You're making your arms tired? Ooh, shiny. What motor is that for?
302.
The 302? If you guys want to see how big this one motor is, it's a 429. And then here's the 302. New trailer tires. So we can go pick up some more projects. Because he needs some more. I said you got new trailer tires so you can pick up more projects because you apparently need more. So what are you doing?
Huh?
So what are you doing?
Getting all the old gasket material off so I can. I'm going to use some chrome wheel cleaner, which is acid basically, to make the old aluminum clean up and look new. But I want to get all the gasket material, wash it out in this utility sink. And I want all the ports cleaned out. So.
Your 21 New Year's resolution to make your arms stronger, right?
Yeah, right.
I can't get over the size of this thing. It's pretty
There's a
big.
reason it's called the big one.
I know. So you can kind of see on my car, here's the motor compared to like this tire, size-wise. I'll kind of shimmy down. And here's, now granted all the pieces are with this. We just kind of size comparison. I mean, it's pretty significant.
That's another big one. That's a small one. You should know better.
I should know better. Why did I think that was... I forgot you went. So that's the 420. That's a 429.
That's a 370. That's a 429. The blue one's from your cousin.
I know blue one's for my cousin, but for whatever reason, you painted it red, and I was like, "Oh, blue. That must be the yeah."
It's because it's going in an old Ford truck, and the motors are blue or red. Sorry. So that's why.
So I'm the wife, and apparently don't even know what's going on in my own garage. So. What? What'd you say? And then there's a motorcycle that is gonna be something maybe drivable, or maybe it's drivable now and we just don't drive it, or
It's winter.
well, I mean,
It's drivable now.
to be fair, you had it all summer and it was in pieces and parts one time and then pieces and parts another.
Finish it in time for winter.
Yeah, perfect.
Finish this finish.
I don't know if we have any more projects in our garage, and I do think the tractor that we have that you saw in the first video is hopefully going to be gone soon. Sorry, we had a little someone who's supposed to be in bed, not the little doggy girl there. We had another little, oh, there she is. Hi. Someone's supposed to be in bed. Say goodnight. Good. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later.
All right, make another quick video about this 302 over here. I was hoping to get it off the stand, get it on the cherry picker, and put the bell housing, flywheel, clutch assembly on, and maybe even put the transmission to it. But that is not gonna happen because I have some incorrect and some inadequate bolts. I was gonna put the valve covers on just so everything was protected, but these aluminum guys, not gonna work. They work fine in a steel valve cover, but these aluminum ones need some longer bolts, so I gotta get longer bolts for that. And then these are the bolts that I have for the intake manifolds, but I don't know. They're all kind of mismatched, and I have no idea what kind of quality or grade they are, so I do not want to use those since I got to get valve cover bolts anyway. I'll just go ahead and get new bolts for this. So, like I said, I was hoping to get some more work done, but it's 9 o'clock at night. You know, Menards is closed. Can't go get bolts, so see you on the next one.